Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So I decided to turn the camera on real quick. This is very impromptu, but I ordered some stuff from SHEIN not too long ago. I wasn't sure if I was even going to order from them anymore, but I saw a tweed blazer and I'm like, well, let me try and make an order, see what their tweed blazers look like. That's a style that I do like. So I went to, add some stuff to my cart, and then I found out that I had a little credit with them. So I was like, well, I'm definitely gonna order now. So I added a few more items and then I just got it today. And I just wanna share a quick unbagging. I've never done one of these before where I try on the items straight out of the bag, I don't think. But I'm gonna do it today. So if you wanna see what's in here, then I hope you keep watching. All right, so let's just dig in and check out the first few items. I think I got doubles of some things because I'm pretty sure I got some basics. I think I got a black and a white basic shirts, like camis to wear under sweaters and jackets, probably what I was anticipating coming up in the spring, because I don't have any of these. So it looks like more than what it is. So yeah, this is two of the same thing, and I'll try it on to let you see how it looks. Oh, this is a jean skirt. Okay, I'm gonna wait on that one. So these other items here are the jackets, I think, and I'm pretty sure I only ordered two. Yep. So let's try this one on first. I'm gonna try everything on with this basic black dress that I have here, and just to keep everything consistent. So here's how it looks straight out. This is a size 6. Yeah, US 6 size medium. So here's the extra button. And this is what the jacket looks like. It's double-breasted tweed, and I love the fact that it's high in the back and then it like comes down in the front. So let's try that on. It's cute. It has a little shoulder padding in there, and there you can see there's 3 buttons on each side. Just a little fake pocket. And everything will be linked below. I'm sure everything is available because I just got it. So let's lower that. Okay, so it looks cute, right? Kind of cute and businessy. There's the little angle. Yep, it's cute. So it does have a little bit of a silver sparkle to it. I'm gonna get in some better lighting and show you that. I'm gonna try this jacket. This one is like a tannish. Yep, it's a little off-white. Oh wait, let me just try to show you a little bit of a up close of the texture of this, and then you'll be able to see that extra silver sparkle, I think. I don't know, you could kind of see it. There it is. There's the texture, and near the texture of this one. This one doesn't have any sparkle, it's just flat, and still has the double breasting, 6 buttons, 3 on each side. This I got in a size, I think I got a smaller size because I wanted to test it out. I wanted to see, yeah, I got this one as a size 4, small. So here it is. Pretty much everything is exactly the same as the other one. To put something like this underneath would be much better than a long sleeve shirt. So this is what this looks like. It's short and cropped. I got it in a size medium. So both of those. And I'll try these on underneath the jackets just so you can see how they look. And then this one, I'm pretty sure this is, yep, this is a medium too. The white one is a little cropped. This one looks right. I wish the white one was a little longer. And that is that. So here is the jacket. And now I'm gonna just try on the jean skirt. I'm gonna try it on right over this dress. And here's what it looks like. This one is a size, what size is it? I'm pretty sure I got this in a medium, but the tag doesn't show. It's just a classic dark blue jean with a slight split here in the back. And this is it. So here's the skirt. And the length, so let me back this up so we can see the full length of it. Cute. For a skirt from Shein, I'm really surprised by this. I think it's really cute though. This is like a classic old school church girl type vibe. So here's the top. It is very tight and it's cropped. So this might look cute under some things. Just want to show what the cami looks like. And I did get 2 of them, and I checked the tag. I found the right tag inside the jean skirt, and it is a medium, size 6, US 6. So here's the white top with the other jacket, but it fits, this jacket fits way better. So this is how it looks. All right, here is the black shirt, and already it's much better. It comes way down here. It's low in the front, and then it swoops up on the side, and then it comes back down in the back. Definitely fits much better than the small. And the other thing about this jacket versus the other one is this one you can see the shoulder pads. So the shoulder pads are on the outside like this, and it's not even like a full, it's a very small shoulder pad. The shoulder pads in this jacket are covered by the lining. How much later is it? So it's probably about 2 weeks since I filmed the first Shein unbagging, and I just want to give a quick update because I did end up returning some things. So I did return the lighter jacket, the little tan one. It was just a little bit too tight. I returned both of those white camis or sleeveless tank top style shirts because they were just a little too tight, and I know that they have way more options than that, so I figured just get rid of those since I'm going to return the jacket anyway. And I returned one of the black camis. I think I should have kept it, but at this point I just figured I'll work with the one that I have. So the items that I did keep were the jean skirt, one of the black camis, and then the black jacket. And when I ordered this one, I also wanted the white one. It was out of stock when I tried to get it. So when I made the return, instead of having it go back onto my card, I got store credit. So, because I knew I wanted to get the white jacket. And then as I was looking for the white jacket and the camis or tank tops, I saw a dress, and it came in 2 colors. So I just got all the other items in from my return. Got the white jacket. This is also in a size medium, so I'll try this on real quick. And then I got 2 new white camis, and I'm gonna try those on. And I also got the 2 dresses. So this came in 2 different orders. So the dress I got in this white color here with all these flowers on it. These 2 came together, and then I'm gonna unbag the last package, which is the 2 white tank tops and the other dress. The same dress, but in a different color. So let's just try this on just so you can see what it looks like. And I'm gonna link everything below as usual. Here is the jacket. I've already worn this out. I have not worn the black one yet, but they fit exactly the same. Gonna open the other bag. I am gonna try this on just so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on over my clothes because I don't want to have this on by itself. It's easier to see now how it scoops under and then comes up on the sides and then scoops down again at the back. And there it is. Also, everything I have on happens to be from SHEIN. So this is a white bodysuit. I don't have a link for it. It's pretty old, but they have the same basics for offer if you check out their site. And then this skirt came with a little matching shirt, but I think I got rid of the shirt because it was way too cropped, and I just wear this, you know, as like a casual set or a casual skirt. So now I'm gonna open the bag here, and here's one, here's the other, and here is the dress. So I'll try the two dresses on last. They are straight out of the bag. I have not ironed them, but the first one I tried on was pretty cute, so I'm expecting them to be nice. All right, so I got the white shirts in a size large. I'm already not really liking how it looks like it's gonna fit because it's really skinny in the middle, and then the armhole is like huge. So, and it's not cropped, but it's not as long as the black one, which I don't mind that part. I just want to have nice coverage across the front. But I'm gonna switch into, take this one off and put this one on so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. It's really high at the top here, and then this part is way low. And it's kind of snug. This being a large, I can't even imagine what a small is like. But I'm gonna keep it. I think it'll work. I'm pretty much gonna use this as a layering piece anyway, so let me try it with the jacket. But I'll step back real quick so you can see what it looks like this. It is really, it's not uncomfortably tight, but it's just showing all the little ripples of everything underneath, which is, I just have to watch for that. But yeah, this is not bad. So if I didn't have this other shirt underneath, you would just see this part, which is good. So as a layering piece, it definitely works. Last thing I'm gonna do is show the dresses. I'm not gonna do too much talking about that. I'll just show you really quick up close how it looks, and then I'm gonna try them on right back to back. So it just has this floral part at the top. Really cute. And I got both dresses in a size large, but after I made the order I started to regret getting a large, but the large fits perfectly. And I'll put my measurements down below in case you want to compare, so you can make sure that you're getting the right size for yourself if you want to order this. So yeah, then the flowers come down on the side here. Really cute. And the sleeves are really puffy. It has a tapered button around the wrist. The flowers go around the back of the neck, around the bottom here, and then you'll be able to see all of this, but I did want to just show this at least up close. This lace around the waist, and that is all the way around. And then there's a zipper up the back, so you can get in and out of this really easily. The material is nice and light and soft, perfect for like spring, early summer. And then it has like this little line going across where the material kind of separates, and then it's gathered there, and then it comes down, and that's just the very bottom of it. So it goes like that across the bottom. So I'll just try these two on so you can see how they look, and then again the links are below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.